the next theorem? We need a circle. So this is called as Thales theorem. Okay. So what exactly the Thales theorem states? If BCA is a triangle and if AB is the diameter, then angle C should be 90 degrees, right? Now it can also be worded in a different manner with reference to the diameter or the chord. The longest chord in the circle is the diameter. That's just a note there. I can state it like this. The angle created by the diameter, it can also be worded as the longest chord at the circumference is always equal to 90 degrees. Most of the time this will be the statement which you will get to see. Now let us do a question using Thales theorem. Now we are given this as 3 units, this as 9 units. We are expected to find the diameter. Now these are the information that have been provided to us. Nothing else is given, right? We do not know what is the angle at C. So that is when the application of Thales theorem comes. Now clearly AB is the diameter and a triangle has been created. ABC is a triangle, or I would more specifically state it as BCA is a triangle. And clearly in this triangle BCA, AB is the side. Okay, so I'm going to give the solution here. We observe that BCA is the triangle present in the circle having AB as its side. Since AB is the diameter of the circle, by Thales theorem we can conclude that angle C should be equal to 90 degrees. So this means we can use Pythagoras theorem. What is that? AC squared plus BC squared is equal to AB squared. AC squared plus BC squared, because this is 90 degrees, isn't it? AB squared is 3 squared positive 9 squared. 3 squared is 9, 9 squared is 81. So this is going to give me 90. So 90 I can rewrite it as 9 times 10. You have AB squared. So AB is equal to root of 9 into 10, which is nothing but 3 times the root of 10. So this is the value of AB units.